Hello all, welcome to my channel. This DIY is a very creative and beautiful stone painting which anyone can do. It is very simple, and in this it's using tissue papers. It's sort of decoupage, but in decoupage we get printed materials, but here you are going to use your own creativity in painting and designing the design you want. So the base layer of the stone is usually given white color acrylic paint so that all the colors get projected beautifully when white is given as the base. You can give more than one coating. That here I am going to give a light green color base, so I have given a single coat for white color, and after completing light green you get to see like this, and on top of that I have given a yellow coating. So now you can see how it looks. A beautiful fluorescent effect is seen in the stone, and as you can see there are few dents that's going to spoil the smoothness of the picture I am going to do. So I am using a air dry clay from Fevicryl, mold it. You can use any air dry clay, and in the tissue paper you can cut the design you want. I have chosen a diya. So I am just cutting out the design from the tissue paper, and this is a layered painting wherein a few layers of tissue paper will be used. I will be sticking it on the stone using PVA glue, a diluted PVA glue, or you can use even a Mod Podge according to your availability. And as you can see, this is the first layer, and I have got some 2 or 3 layers design. So first cut out your design in the tissue paper, as you can see, and next is we'll be applying a layer of diluted PVA glue and sticking the tissue paper on top of it. And care should be taken that there is no smudges in the tissue paper as well. Take care that it does not get torn. After that I am going to dry using hair dryer. Because we are using several layers, it is better to dry in the course of your artwork so that we can do it in a single go. So the first layer of coloring is done now using acrylic colors. The colors are purely your own choice, and the design is also your own choice. This is just a method I just want to show so that you can use it in your own way. And so this is the next layer of the tissue paper. I have put the next layer, and after drying it I'll be coloring it. So this is the process that will be continuing till the end, and here there is more scope for creativity. You can paint your own designs as well. You can get the beautiful texture of the tissues also. You can use plain acrylic colors, or you can use even metallic shades. Here for the base I will be using mostly plain acrylic colors so that the colors get highlighted, but I will be using a metallic color. Yeah, metallic colors are really beautiful when the light is falling on the stone, and it gives a very nice bright look also. And you can use it for any festive decorations also, or you can use even a darker background with a lighter shade for your diyas, or any design you choose. This is quite simple. You can do with very few materials available. It's just that you have to get your stones ready. My stone is actually around 5 inches in width and it is 6.5 inches in height, and it's quite triangular in shape. That's why I want to do this diya design. This is the metallic gold color, and metallic gold is really very beautiful under light, and diyas are generally decorated using metallic colors, and they are usually made with terracotta clay, and these metallic colors are very beautiful when diyas are decorated using them. So I have chosen this, and now I am using my hand to give the metallic shade on top of the acrylic colors, because this will highlight the tissue paper's texture. You can use a dry brush technique also, wherein you will have to use a dry brush without water and very little of paint, and you should try to paint on top of it so that the texture gets highlighted. And this is the copper color, metallic color. Here I have used all metallic colors from Fevicryl, and that's really good. You can use the metallic colors you get in your own place, and this is very simple actually. This painting can be done by anyone. No prior painting knowledge is also required, because we are going to cut the designs in shoes. And here I am using glitters in pearl white, and these glitters also look extremely good when the stone is put under light. And you can complete this work in hardly 2 hours if you have all the materials available. And this is just a light reddish shade. And with that the diya painting will be over. So if you like this design, if you like this DIY, definitely do like and share it and subscribe. And I'm using a 3D liner finally to highlight the texture of the tissue paper. I'm just using dots that looks like 3D mandala dots, and this looks extremely good when placed under light. You have different shades when metallic colors are used, and if you give a base acrylic color, that looks really good. As you can see, the completed work. You can place it on a stand also and decorate it in your house or workplace, or wherever you want to decorate. You can use designs according to the place. After it is dried completely, you can apply a layer of varnish so that your painting is protected totally. Meet you all again with another interesting DIY. Thank you.